Hi, my name is Riley with the Anatomy of Wellness, and today I'm going to show you how to use a trigger point therapy ball. So what is a trigger point therapy ball? A trigger point therapy ball is basically just a dense rubber ball. It's kind of like a racket ball or a lacrosse ball, and you would use it at home to work out trigger points, any tight, sore muscles. Basically, it's just a good tool for self-massage. I like to use a trigger point therapy ball right around my shoulder blades because that's where I tend to get extra tight. So I'm going to show you today how to use that for that kind of tension or any tight points or spots you feel around your shoulders and upper back. So basically you take the trigger point ball and you're just going to find that spot. So wherever it is on your traps, rhomboids, and then you're going to pin it against the wall and just sit with it right there. Relax your arms. And once you find the tight spot, all you do is kind of move your body around, work out any tension. You can also move your arm around, whatever feels best. You want to do this for about 1 to 2 minutes or just however long it takes for the tension to start to melt away. Another great use for a trigger point ball is for really tight forearms or on your medial elbow or the inside of your elbow. People who could benefit from this are anyone who is using their forearms a lot, whether you are typing, whether you're a weightlifter, if you like to do activities like rock climbing. Sometimes this area can get really tight. So I'm going to show you what to do. Typically you would use a tabletop or a counter. I don't have that, so I'm just going to use a foam pad and show you. But basically you just set the ball on the surface, lean into it right on that spot, right on your medial elbow, and then you're just going to want to move your arm around, kind of massage out that area, that tension, and you'll want to do this until you start to feel a tension release. I'm going to show you a technique to use with the trigger point ball for tight chest muscles, so tight pec major, minor. A lot of times these areas get tight on people who have poor posture or forward rounded shoulders, people who sit at a desk a lot. This area tends to get pretty tight. So basically what you do is you take the trigger point ball, set it right on the area of tension, so right front shoulder area, chest area. You're going to take it, pin it here, then lean up against the wall in that tight spot, and you can either just sit here, lean into the wall, and let that tension relax, or you can add in some active range of motion with your arm and shoulder and kind of work out that tension even more. And you're going to want to do this till you start to feel those muscles relax.